One of the cool things about going out on adventures is being able to get home again, and I don't want to run out of fuel on the trail. I'm going to add some Rotopax to give myself about an extra 100 miles of range. Let me show you how to do it. To install the Rotopax, you're going to need blue tape and a marker, a level, a center punch, a drill and some drill bits, a riv nut tool and some riv nuts, and some tools to put the riv nuts in. I'm going to install this Rotopax mounting plate against the bed of the truck. As you can see, I've already mounted the T-handles. They just bolt onto the back with 2 bolts on each one. I'm going to slide the Rotopax onto the mounting plate so that I can see how high the plate has to be. With the Rotopax the other way around, you can see the plate on the back, and we can measure the height of the holes from the bed of the truck. I want to put the Rotopax directly on the truck bed so that the weight of the fuel is taken by the floor, and I want to leave enough room here to be able to get to the eye hook. And that leaves me with about a foot of space on this side of the bed to be able to slide things all the way to the back. I'm going to put some blue tape on either side of the mounting holes so that I can see where they're going to line up at the back of the truck. Now that we have the tape on the Rotopax, I can put some tape on the back of the truck and mark where they line up. Now that I know where the hole needs to go, I can center punch and drill a pilot hole. I'm going to use 1/4 inch 20 riv nuts to hold the plate in place. They require a 3/8 inch hole. The riv nuts came with a riv nut tool. Pretty simple, you basically screw the riv nut tool into the riv nut and the nut spins freely, so you put a wrench over it. You ratchet it in and it crushes the sleeve of the riv nut around the metal where you drilled the hole. I'm going to make sure this is level before I punch the second hole. Because you guys are awesome, and I appreciate you stopping by to watch this video, and I respect your time because I know it's important, I am going to save you the excruciating experience of watching me install the other 3 riv nuts. Just know I did an awesome job. I don't know how well you can see it, this is raised and this is not, so I'm going to put some washers on the back of the plate to accommodate the gap. Now that I have the bracket loosely installed, I can put the Rotopax on it and push it down to make sure that the Rotopax is on the floor. Now the Rotopax is flush on the floor, I can tighten the nuts up. Now I have the Rotopax installed, I like how it turned out. That should give me about an extra 100 miles of range, which will ease my range anxiety. I hope this video was useful to you. Please like and subscribe for more cool videos.